TPOB Slime 2 clippers. Just gonna upgrade the cutting blade just because I want to add a little bit of my touch to it, just something that matches a little better. So gonna go ahead and take the blade off with the screwdriver, pull it off, and definitely clean the back cutting blade, save it for later. Clean the clipper as well. Cleaned and oiled up the fixed blade. Pulling out the new ceramic cutting blade. It looks so sick. It just matches the clipper so well. Love the add-on. The green is a little different, but still looks dope. Placing the original plastic cam follower back on, as well as the spring. It fit very well. The new cutting blade pops right back into place very easily. You just want to hold it with one thumb while you put the fixed blade on and get it all screwed nice and tight. But don't tighten the screws too tight, only because we have to move that back blade and make sure that the blades are aligned perfectly.